So today I'm going to show you how to do lines, and you can plot different lines, line segments, rays. You can put different shapes on the graph, and you can freehand use pens to draw on it. So first you're going to select this and select a point. And you can scroll into whatever number you want to be at. You can go in the decimals, you can go all the way out, count by twos, all these different things. So you go in, I'm choosing to count by ones. Select my points, and I can plot wherever I did 1 and 1, 2 and 3. And I'm doing a line, start at A, goes through point B, and there you have your line. You can scroll out, it still shows that that's your line. Come back to the line, and there it is. Other things that you can do is you can start with a polygon. You can go to 2. It'll plot your point there, and here's the line. Once you click wherever your line is, it'll give you more of the shape of the triangle or square of what you're making. I'm gonna plot it there, and see you can pull it down here. Really can go out wherever, it can go back, down. That's not really shape, so I'm gonna go 7, and there, then you have to, you can see you can make it into a square or anything else, but I'm just making a triangle. And there you have line E, C, and D, you have all your lines. And here you can make your own line. Y equals 4x plus 2, and it'll give you this line. You can select a point and put the points at wherever you want on the line. You can go to 2 for your y-intercept, and your intercept is about a half, negative half on this side, and over here in this column it gives you all of the equations of your lines. Like I just made this line right here, which is this line, and this is the intersecting y-axis, and the x-axis, negative half. It gives you your points. The polygon, it shows you your segments, all of the segments on the triangle. They're all right there. And for the first line, it gives you the plots, so then you know if this is how your graph is going to look like, you know that those are what your plots should look like. You can move around and look at all the different ways. You can also use a pen and draw different shapes. That wasn't very good, but draw your own lines if your plots are... If your points are kind of a weird looking, you can use your pen and draw your line through them however it needs to be. But with this one, it doesn't really give you an equation. It'll give you where your points are plotted, but it doesn't give you an equation because that's not a line that you really can have an equation for. But those are just the many things that you can do on GeoGebra.